Here is how you can use Read&Write's PDF Reader to work on PDF assignments handed out in Google Classroom on the Chrome browser. This will work on computers, Macs, and Chromebooks. If you use the Google Classroom app on a mobile device, you can use the built-in tools to edit PDFs. The school division force installed the needed extension and app, so PDF files should open with it automatically from Classroom. If it does not open with Read&Write, you will need to click on the three dots in the top right corner and click on Open a New Window. Then you will need to click on Open With up top and choose Read&Write for Google Chrome. If it prompts you to install extensions, do so. Up top, click on Enable this item. Close the tab and repeat the Open with Read&Write for Google Chrome step. You will now have the PDF open 2 times, once in Read&Write and once in the original format. You can close the original now. You can see the Read&Write toolbar at the top. On some PDFs, Read&Write doesn't recognize the text. You can't use some of the tools on these files. You will see a black banner with a warning message at the top on these documents. The reading buttons and highlighter tools won't work on these because you can't select any words. Now let's have a look at the toolbar buttons. Click to speak will read parts of the document to you.
Cyberbullying footprint, internet password, privacy profile, respect, safety.
Turn it on and off by clicking it once. Click where you want it to read.
It's always a good idea to ask your parents for permission before downloading.
Use the dictionary to look up a word. Drag your cursor over a word to select it. Click on the dictionary button to see a definition or the picture button to see a picture definition. You can use the play, pause, and stop buttons to read the whole document starting at the top.
Internet safety word search in our digital world. Sometimes things might
Using pause will hold the place you left off.
not always be as they seem, and we all need to remember to keep safe.
Using stop will make the play button start at the beginning again. Drag the screenshot reader around some words to have them read. You might have to give this part of the extension authorization to your Google account. It'll read all of the text when it is ready. You have to let it finish playing. There is no way to stop it.
Wise tip. It's always a good idea.
Drag the cursor over a word or group of words and click on the highlighter button to highlight those words. You can choose from 4 different colors. You can collect everything you highlighted into a Google document. If you highlight some words in different colors and click on the vocabulary button, Read&Write will create a new Google document with definitions for those words. Check it out. It might not find a definition for all your words, but that's okay. You can put in definitions you look up yourself. You can leave a text box on a PDF by clicking on the T up top and then clicking the place you want to put the text box. Type in some text. The toolbar lets you edit. You can move the text box around, listen to what you have typed.
Type in some text. The toolbar lets you edit. You can
Use text prediction to help you type.
cancer, candidate, canvas, can.
Use your voice to type. Use your voice to type. Make the font bigger or smaller. Change the color or delete the text box altogether. Make sure to click the red checkmark button to save your work. The push pin lets you put in a text box that will hide until clicked. It has the same toolbar. Notice how it disappears when we click away, but the other text box we made can still be seen. We can click on a pin to see or edit the note attached. You can use the pen tool to draw. You can choose a color and how heavy the line will be. Click and drag to draw. You can also use the shape tool. Choose your outline color. Fill color and the line thickness. You can draw a rectangle, circle, or line. Click the tool to turn it off. You can remove shapes and hand drawing by using the eraser tool found in the pen and shape menu. Click once to erase some coloring, a line, or a shape. Remember, some files won't let you select text. You can still use the typewriter, pen, and shape tools. You could use a semi-transparent color to highlight things on files that the highlighter tool won't work on. You can also insert shapes. All of your work will save, but can only be seen when the file is opened with Read and Write.